Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some genshin impact game file, download error, check your network settings and try again. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. First of all, right click on and open a task manager. Select a genshin impact and click on a end task. After doing this step, go to your search box and type a network and go to your control panel. Click on a network and internet. Click on a network and sharing center. Click on a change adapter settings. Select the adapter which is used to connect to your internet. Right click and go to your properties. Select the internet protocol version 4. Go to your properties. Click on a use the following DNS addresses. Type a 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. After that, click on a validate setting upon exit. Select it. Click on OK button and close it. After that, new dialog box open, and after completing that, close it and close it. Now after that, open a search box and type a command prompt. Right click and open it, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is netsh space int space IP space reset and press enter. After doing this step, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After that, type a command is ipconfig / release and press enter. After doing this step, type a command is ipconfig / renew and press enter. Now after doing this step, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.